Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, today's topic is I'm doing something completely new. It is day 7 of my water only fast, getting ready to prepare some items to break my fast on tomorrow. Excuse me if I sound a little winded. I am just slightly weak. It has been an interesting last 2 days, but I am pushing through. I plan to make some juices. I plan to do a watermelon grapefruit juice and a pineapple watermelon juice. A large watermelon, got me pineapple, and I have various grapefruits. I have 4 in total. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut up my fruit. So note, I do not have a juicer. So the materials that I'll be using to create a nice juice consistency, I'll be using my blender. I have a Ninja blender. And I also purchased some cheesecloth to strain my blended mixture. So let's see how it goes. Whew. Doesn't that look good? Nice. This is the most interaction with food I've had in 7 days. I tried to gut the watermelon as much as possible, but listen, like I said, I am a little weak right now, so I try not to exert too much energy. I also want you guys to know I will not be using fancy jars. These are pasta sauce, Alfredo sauce containers. Actually have been sterilized, so let's go. I just blended 2 containers of watermelon, so I'm actually just gonna go ahead and do some pineapple now. Now I'm going to strain this juice. The cheesecloth came with so much on the roll, I think I'm just going to cut it like right here. I don't know guys, a nice strainer may be best for this. I ended up tying the cheesecloth like to the bottle because it was falling in, and I found it helpful to kind of like stir and stuff like that. When it got like too lumpy and I didn't see much progress, I transferred into a smaller bowl. I don't know, it's giving very much like that could make a nice like Italian ice or something. I don't know. It's quite a bit of juice here. I'm just gonna transfer it into this jar. So I'm gonna repeat the process and then do the watermelon grapefruit. Okay, I'm going to make my final grapefruit juice. So in the last one, I just used a whole grapefruit, and then right now it's just whatever is left in the watermelon bowl, which a lot of it was juice anyway. I'm just straining out my juice. This is the grapefruit and watermelon I've been at this for a while now, but this is the last one. Found it too messy to squeeze it, so I've just been kind of going through the juice. It gets too thick looking, I put it into a container. I'm going to make some sorbet with I looked it up and it says sorbet is just fruit and sugar, so I think I'm gonna add like two teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of sugar into each of these, and I'm just gonna put those in the freezer and we'll see what it tastes like. Okay everyone, I have less than a minute left on this memory card, but I made 2 of each type of juice. So the one in the Prego cans, at first I could tell the difference, but now I can't. So I re-clarified them a second time. So they look really good, very juicy. I know for sure this one is a watermelon grapefruit one. It was the smallest container, but I re-clarified this one, and I found one, I think the second one I made was pineapple, and I found it to be pretty pulpy, so I took the rest of that one out. All in all, I think they're gonna turn out great. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator. I'll probably take one with me to work on Monday. So that's how I'm doing my juices. The next thing up is my egg drop soup.